Hey, good day to everyone. Today I would like to share you how to host a meeting using Zoom platform. So what is the Zoom platform? In this together, keeping you securely connected wherever you are. Using Zoom platform, we can create the meeting, we can create the video webinar, conference room, phone system and chat, etc. Hit the button, sign up, it is free. Select the date of birth, click continue. Just type your email address and click sign up. We have sent an email to my email address. Just check the mail, just click activate. Welcome to Zoom. You need to type your first name and last name and your password. Whatever password you want, you can give your password. So confirm the password. If you want to invite your friends, you can invite using this mail, or you can click skip the step. Once you finish your basic steps, you need to host a meeting. So how to host a meeting? Click your right hand side corner. You'll have host a meeting with video on, with video off, screen only. Hit the button with video on. Automatically it will direct you in a Zoom app. So if you want to use Zoom platform, you need to install Zoom app in your desktop or in your mobile phones. Just hit the button download and run. So automatically it will download in your download browser. Just click installing Zoom. Once the Zoom is installed means it will connect you. So join with your computer audio. Just hit the button. If you want to turn on your mic, you can turn on your mic. If you want to turn off your video, you can turn off your video. So this is a basic Zoom app format. My name is available, and security, participant, chat and share screen, record, reaction. So every menu is there. First, I would like to know what is my Zoom meeting ID and password. Hit the button meeting information in your left hand side corner. You will have meeting ID and password and your invite link. If you want to invite the participant, you can use copy link and share with your participant. If you want to chat with your participant, you can chat with your participant. The Zoom giving everyone in this meeting, you can chat, or you can individually chat with your participant. And you have screen sharing option. In this screen sharing option, you have whiteboard and a lot of options is available. Hit the whiteboard. You can scribble your works. Whether if you're taking Max class, you can scribble whatever you want and equivalent to 24. So I can ask from there things. If you want to stop sharing, just hit the button stop sharing. You can stop sharing. You can able to record your video, record your meeting, and you can give the reaction similarly, so that we can invite the people from here. Just click invite and choose the email address, and you can send the invitation link to your participant. This Zoom app will have mute all option. You have plenty of participants. You want to mute everyone together means just hit the mute all button. Automatically every participant will mute their volumes. And we have lot of options. You can give the privilege to the participants. So if you want to leave the meeting, you can just hit the meeting and end the meeting for all. If you want end this end meeting is, you can end overall session. So now I'm going to show you how to schedule the meeting in your Zoom website. Just click my account. It will show you what is your name and profile name. Everything will be there. So if you want to schedule the meeting, just hit the button schedule a meeting. So meeting topic. So choose when and what is the time. Just hit the things, and I'm going to give tomorrow at the duration you can choose. Because Zoom is providing limited time of edition, 40 minutes only you can able to work out. So just generate automatically. You can choose, so video, you can select whether video for host is on, means we can select on. If you want participants should be off the video, you can off the video. So enable join before host, mute participant upon entries, give the things and click save. So your meeting is scheduled in your Google Calendar. Meeting ID and password is available. Invite link to your participant. So this is a basic thing. When you schedule the meeting, you need to start the meeting. How to start the meeting? Just hit the button start this meeting, or hit the button, it will direct you to the Zoom app. So this is a basic thing to create and host and schedule the meeting using Zoom platform. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.